Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Istanbul, talking today about a winter visit. First of all, yes, it does snow in much of Turkey each and every winter, and nighttime lows will always dip below freezing. Still, you can see and do quite a bit on a winter visit to Istanbul. Istanbul's main tourist destinations remain open all winter. If the weather's lousy outside, head inside. Warm up with a traditional Turkish bath at one of the city's hammams. Explore the Spice Bazaar and the famous Grand Bazaar nearby. The Blue Mosque and other mosques are open to the public. The views inside are stunning. Just remember, you'll have to take your shoes off and women will have to cover up. In the winter, you can also head deep underground to the Basilica Cistern, an ancient water reservoir built to supply Constantinople hundreds of years ago. Today, it's part history lesson, part art exhibit, and part photography studio for the crowds of people who walk the platforms suspended over the water each day. Winter weather will not stop daily local life. You'll always see fishermen lined up along the Galata Bridge. And again, most days will be partly cloudy and brisk outside, which is fine for walking around Istanbul's neighborhoods. People love the colorful homes and colorful streets of Balat. There are big pedestrian-only shopping boulevards, along with smaller, quaint neighborhood streets lined with local coffee shops and bakeries. The tree-lined streets are much prettier in the summer, but they are far less crowded in the winter. Elsewhere in Turkey, Cappadocia is a 1-hour flight from Istanbul, a major tourist hub in the country, and you can see it snows here in the winter too. While it can be pretty on the unique rock landscapes and ancient cliff dwellings that made this area famous, the snowfall can cancel Cappadocia's other big draw, the daily sunrise balloon launches. The balloon pilots say they launch an average of 300 days a year, so your odds are still pretty good, even in the winter. If your balloon trip gets canceled, you can always visit other sites around Cappadocia, like the ancient underground cities, cave dwellings, and stunning rock formations like these so-called fairy chimneys. Back in Istanbul, don't forget, if it's too cold to walk, rely on the cheap and easy-to-navigate metro system, which connects all corners of this huge city. Now, if you're looking for warmer temperatures and a warmer visit, mid-March is when temperatures really start to warm up each day into the mid-60s, so much warmer by mid-March. I'll see you next time.